Welcome to DoveMed, health information for a better life.
Garlic is one of the most important ingredients in modern cuisine around the world. The flavorful and pungent bulb is a member of the genus Allium, which includes onions, shallots, leeks, chives, and Chinese onion. The bulb is covered with an inedible papery skin, which is then separated into individual cloves when cooking. Depending on the dish, cooks and chefs serve garlic raw or cooked with fresh garlic delivering overpowering flavor, and the cooked or roasted form being mellow. The strong taste and smell come when garlic is chopped or crushed. An enzyme called alliinase converts alliin to allicin, responsible for the fresh garlic aroma. Garlic is top of the list when looking at well-researched superfoods. Adding a few cloves to your daily diet could help your health. Here are the 7 health benefits of garlic. 1. Garlic could help reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is a range of conditions that affect your heart, including but not limited to diseases like coronary artery disease, heart rhythm problems, cerebrovascular disease, and rheumatic heart attack. According to the World Health Organization, heart diseases account for 31% of all deaths globally. 4 out of 5 heart disease deaths are due to heart attacks and strokes, with the majority being preventable with proper diet and exercise. Garlic supplementation has shown to potentially provide heart protection. 2. Garlic may possess cancer prevention properties. Popular sulfur-containing vegetables like garlic, onions, shallots, leeks, and chives may have medicinal properties in preventing cancer. These vegetables also contain a variety of bioactive compounds like flavonoids, oligosaccharides, arginine, and selenium. Recent meta-analyses showed that garlic consumption in large amounts could reduce the risk of stomach cancer and colorectal cancer. Other studies have found that raw garlic or onion consumption at least 1 time per week is correlated with lower esophageal cancer. 3. Garlic could help prevent colds and infections. Children and adults have 6 to 8 and 2 to 4 colds per year respectively. Researchers conducted a meta-analysis of the effect and found 1 in 5 studies to show promising results. The study, with 146 participants who took garlic every day for 3 months, had fewer colds. The study suggested large randomized studies. 4. Garlic could help treat type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is a long-term metabolic disease characterized by raised levels of blood glucose or blood sugar. This elevated blood sugar levels could cause damage to the heart, blood vessels, eyes, nerves, and kidneys. According to the World Health Organization, 1.6 million deaths are directly responsible for diabetes each year. Garlic has shown to regulate blood sugar levels. Research has suggested that type 2 diabetes patients who consumed garlic significantly improved blood cholesterol levels, with a reduced total and LDL bad cholesterol and a moderately increased HDL good cholesterol compared to the placebo. 5. Garlic could help reduce blood pressure. A review with 970 participants suggested that garlic supplements could lower blood pressure in hypertensive individuals. 6. Garlic could help fight off Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Alzheimer's disease is a long-term neurodegenerative disease where symptoms like the following worsen with time: language problems, disorientation, mood swings, and short-term memory loss. Garlic could have neuroprotective properties with its active compound called S-allyl-L-cysteine, SAC. 7. Garlic could help treat acne. Garlic contains an organic compound called allicin. Research has suggested that allicin could help stop the damaging effects of radicals and kill bacteria. This can help treat acne scars, skin diseases, and allergies.
If you have any ideas for fruits and vegetable videos that we should make, write in the comments section. Also, if you like this video, give us a like. Lastly, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see future videos. It is not the intention of DoveMed to provide specific medical advice. DoveMed urges their users to consult a qualified healthcare professional for diagnosis and answers to their personal medical questions. Always call 911 or your local emergency number if you have a medical emergency.